Hi there, this is Hussin from EFXCO. Today I've got a special Photoshop feature to show you. And as you guys know, an object selection is integral to common Photoshop workflows. With this new release of Photoshop, the object selection tool has new capabilities that empower you to automatically select a portion of your image as you hover over it and click it. The latest tool to the object selection tool makes your compositing and retouching workflows faster, easier, and more intuitive for your creative journey by improving the quality of preview and masking features simply by clicking on the required object. So as you can see on my screen here, I have an image in the latest version of Photoshop. This is the 23.2.0 version of the Photoshop. So for you to be able to use this feature, you must have the latest Photoshop. We used to do selection using the various selection tools that we have in Photoshop. We have rectangular tool, elliptical tool, and then we also have things like the lasso, polygonal lasso tool. We also had for a good few years the quick selection tool, which also helped us to do selection very quickly. Unfortunately, this also has become very, very slow. So with the latest features, they came up with something called an object selection tool. So all I need to do now is with my cursor, I just have to hover over any objects, and then any objects now will be selected by just putting your cursor over them. So if I click on this left object over here, you can see it's been selected. If I hold down my shift key, I can add to those selection simply by clicking on the objects. And that's the Adobe magic helping you to select the objects. For objects such as this, when you have a hollow or a hole in between, all you need to just hold down the Alt key or Option key on your Mac and just draw a square, and that will be taken out from there. So this is a very, very fast way to do selection now, and it's called an object selection tool. There are several ways for you to access to this selection tool. One is obviously going to the toolbar on the left hand side. The other one will be by going to the select and mask, and now you can see all the objects has been selected, and there's a mask put on it straight away. Okay, I'm going to press OK on the bottom right of the screen, and now you have your selection. Okay, what I can do with this is probably I want to enhance the color a bit, so I'm going to go down to my adjustment layer, and then I'm going to put in vibrance and adjust the vibrance bit to give that image a bit more pop. So I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more such quick tips coming your way very soon. And meanwhile, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.